The Samsung Galaxy M31 sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The display has Gorilla Glass 3 protection and a peak brightness of 420 nits. The display houses the front camera in a little U on the top. It also houses 4 cameras at the back. It has a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture. The second is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. The third is a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera, and finally we have a 5-megapixel macro camera. The rear camera can shoot videos in 4K. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 32-megapixel camera with the ability to shoot videos in 4K. It can also shoot slow-motion videos. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock using the front-facing camera. The Samsung Galaxy M31 runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Exynos 9611 processor. The smartphone is available in two variants, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. It is available in two color options, Ocean Blue and Space Black. The Samsung Galaxy M30 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It also has a dedicated micro SD slot for storage expansion. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 15-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide and a SIM tray ejector. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.